how to set mark as read interval and Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail dashboard, okay, you'll have to do is go to gear icon on the right side on your screen. Go to this and go to more settings. Okay guys, here in left side on your screen, you can see here the viewing email. Okay, go to this. In viewing email, okay, you can see here the mark as read interval. And there are options here. So the mark as read interval is set into immediately. So you can set or change the mark as read interval into after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, or you can set into never. And okay guys, I decide to set the mark as read interval into after 2 seconds. And go to back to inbox button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the mark as read interval in Yahoo Mail on computer.